Edo State government, in collabo with security agencies, don't start big raid for all the 18 local government areas to comot guns wey no get license from people hand. Governor Godwin Obaseki yarned this story after Security Council meeting for Government House, Benin City. He praised the progress wey the special team wey dem set up to handle cultism don make and tok say the state dey serious to wipe out criminal gangs and make sure say people dey safe. Governor Obaseki tok say the reduction in cultism, homicide and kidnapping for the past month na the work of the special crime team wey Director of DSS dey lead wey dem form for the last Security Council meeting to tackle crime for the state. The governor note say this drop for the criminal activities na better change compared to the first 5 months of the year. Obaseki also talks say the council dey serious to keep up this work and he don't tell the special team say make them continue and say them don't give the team complete list of crimes report wey involve okaigeles, the local enforcers for different communities. He talks say part of the plan na to raid the houses of people wey them don't identify as gang members and collect guns from people wey not supposed hold them. He constantly talks say Security Council analysis shows say 5 local governments get serious problem and them account for more than half of the criminal incidents for the state, and say to handle this one, the council go dey hold weekly meetings for the next 1 month with Security Council members from this local government to understand wetin dey happen well and focus their investigation for the most affected communities.
From the reports so far, we've seen a significant decrease in the cases of cultism and the homicides related to cultism, as was the case for the first 5 months of this year. We have given the committee the list of all the reports that we have received to date on the activities of okaigeles in the different communities. And part of the strategy will be that raids will be carried out and the homes of identified members of those gangs will be raided. We will intensify moves and activities to locate people who are keeping arms in the communities and in their homes with the view of disarming people who have no authority to keep firearms in their homes. Council analyzed in depth the security incidents report that was presented, and that report revealed that there are about 4 or 5 local governments that we need to focus on specifically, since these local governments account for almost over 50% of the incidents reported in the state.
Ogbonge persons wey tanda for the closed-door Security Council meeting na Commandant Edo State Command of the Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps (NSCDC) Agugbenga Joseph, Commandant 4 Brigadier Nigeria Army Brigadier General Ebenezer Oduyebu, Edo State Police Commissioner Fushon Adegboye, among others. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ujisoli, TMC TV News.